In 1894, Herbert Hoover was student manager of Stanford's football team. The future U.S. president had the brilliant idea to play the big game, Cal versus Stanford, at the Haight Street Grounds in San Francisco. 10,000 tickets were printed, but 20,000 people showed up. Hoover and Herbert Lang, the Cal manager, had to find pots, bowls, and anything else to collect admissions. They made so much money from ticket sales, Hoover was forced to hire two wagons to cart bags full of silver dollars off the premises to safekeeping. San Francisco in the 1890s was not exactly a crime free community, so Hoover hired 6 security guards from the football squad to guard the money while they made it to safety.